Yeah, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to Rabbit Stories by Makari. So today we are going to be looking around the farm, showing you different kinds of breeds. Make sure you sub, like, comment, and share. Yeah, follow. So on the first cage we have our New Zealand White. Hope you can see New Zealand White on the first cage. On the second cage we have Chinchilla Giant. Is moving. Then on the fourth cage we have Dutch and Kenyan White. These are Kenyan White. It's color white and the eyes are black. Hope you can see. And the Dutch. See the difference between Dutch. Dutch has white and black patches around the ears, and also Dutch over there. Then we have a California White. It's pure white with pink eyes. These are a male rabbit, and a male rabbit is called a buck. Yeah, a buck. And we have New Zealand White, a female rabbit with her babies. Let me show you three babies there. You can see them. Then we have checkered giant. These are a female checkered giant. Then on this cage we have variety. So this is the small checkered giant with the California White. Then here we have black rabbits. I don't know their names. You can tell me in the comment section. I've forgotten the names and the breeds over there. Then lastly we have pure Dutch breeds. There are three. These are all males. I have kept them for sale. That's the end of the video. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe.